Ay, hala. Bakit naman ako sa banyo? Bakit naman sa banyo ko?
Approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunting. Clear to jump. Go at your discretion.
Vamos, vamos, vamos allá. Vamos, 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 vamos. Que no venga nadie. Que no venga nadie. Nada. Dame eso.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Overwatch requested on my grid.
Copy. Stand by.
Está muy cerca. ¿Dónde estaban?
Available launcher spotted. Reference waypoint, move there now. I got enemy in sight.
Got a new mission ready.
Ruski, what are you doing, Ruski?
Mission for you. Details on your map. Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing. Copy. Stand by.
Let's see. I see one right there.
Found over to that location.
Bra.
Check your missions.
Here we go, right? Get lucky.
Contact. Enemy
Who's
infantry
by?
engaging. Get over to that waypoint.
Sorry, buddy.
Your current position is going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger.
Not sorry, really.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Fire. Give me 1 second. A ver si podemos llamar a una... Rápido, se fue.
You got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Oh my god, this guy. Qué buen chaval. Está reventado, cabrón. No pasa nada, vamos a ir por él. ¿Dónde morimos?
Spotted a custom weapon crate.
No importa, vamos a ir ahí. Creo que morí por ello. Aquí puede haber gente.
Stand by and be ready.
Oh my god. Yo le maté a él. Y me mató a alguien más. Me mató a otra persona.
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
Me mató a otra persona. Increíble. Creo que... El otro murió, ¿no? Sí. Sí murió. Ay, ay, ay. Qué mal, qué mal. Waste mo ka. Sabi ka sa ko. Waste mo ka.
Alright, get ready to jump. Hostiles are dropping into the target area and need to be stopped. I'll point, you hustle. Smoke everyone
Ándale,
down.
güey. Ándale, güey. Hola, hola.
Go
¿Ah?
for deployment. Give 'em hell.
Jetly, what up, man? I was using a microphone filter, and I didn't know my voice was an anime voice. I didn't know. I don't know if you heard that. Hi guys, how are you? You were so excited, right? Because you thought a woman is streaming. Yes, yes, I didn't know that, man. I didn't know that. But I'm happy that you were so excited to hear a woman voice, no? Gotcha.
Alright, missions just got posted. Have a look
I'm gonna
and knock
kill
out
you,
what
man.
can.
Come on, Jet Li, you gotta play, man. Play the game. Oh, footsteps? Yeah. There's someone here. We gotta be very careful. Guys, please don't forget to like the stream. I saw one guy there. But we gotta chill because there are gonna be more people around. Alright,
Check your missions.
no? Man, the game looks better now. Was there any update or something? The game looks sharper now. Don't you think? Oh. He's calling me. I think. Oh my god. Well, what did I say? What did I say, man? If you shoot, you die.
Alright, square yourself away. You're headed back in.
This always happens. I mean, we better not shoot, man. He killed me from here.
Danger sighted!
We're gonna kill that guy. He leave no one alive, especially those who kill us. No, this guy wasn't the guy who killed me.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Poor guy. We'll play in 20 minutes? Nah. It's nothing. What is 20 minutes, man? What is 20 minutes for
Need
me?
eyes on my lockstat.
Only half game.
Got eyes on that Inferno. Steer clear.
Contact. Sniper.
Roger.
Stay low.
On the way.
That guy is the guy who... How did I miss? Yes!
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
This is how you snipe, man. This is how you snipe. I don't know who killed me before. Get his weapon, huh? I really want to see the other guy who killed me. I want to see my stream and see his name. Killed me. Okay, the guy who killed me was Valera. Don't forget, okay?
New mission
Valera.
available.
Or Valero, I don't know. The guy who killed me was Valera. Valera. Where are you, Valera? Man, I swear these people are so sneaky, man. I know this is boring, but this is how we have to play.
Enemy machine gun.
How many meters? Does it show me?
Got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Let's make it 500.
Check your missions.
Oh, he died. Imagine I killed that guy from this distance. There's too much up. Come on, man. This is so annoying. Why it keeps reloading?
Check your missions.
Oh, we missed. Game looks crazy, man. I swear they have done something. Game looks crazy. Oh! Let's go for a better weapon. Oh no! I didn't select my weapon, man. I haven't selected my weapon.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details. Hostile dropping near your location.
Where? Why this weapon looks weird? Look at my hand. Doesn't look good. Recoil is harder to control. Copy Tom Cruise, Khalifa, Bolero, Customs, Khalifa. 1 million. Won't even be able to Google them. What are we talking, gently? And there's one more. Wait, what? So many. I don't like this weapon. Try this one and get a sniper from here. There's so many, so many airstrike. What's it called? So many care packages. To be honest, I don't feel comfortable here. You have to get away from this age zones. Many campers will come. You have to stay away from them. I forgot to select my loadout, man. I had a better weapon, but I didn't add it to my favorite weapons. Imagine.
Alright, your mission is up. Marked on your map.
Goodbye, my lover.
Request overwatch.
friend.
Grid as indicated.
Roger
Try
that.
this guy's weapon. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this rich guy. Okay. There's solo guy.
Got a dangerous location.
Let's kill him first.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Contact. Enemy infantry engaging.
Man. Where did you go? Where's the other guy? Oh no, I'm gonna die to this guy. He's very, very sneaky.
Got a new mission ready. Mission board is clear. Neutralize threats and stay in the fight. Nothing you can't handle.
I hurt myself. There's two guys. I died. It's not good. What is happening, man? There are so many sneaky guys. idiot, you killed yourself.
Enemy numbers are dropping. Back off.
40 bullets, nice. I think my sniper was better, but don't worry, no worries. I wish I had the airstrike so I could scan the enemies. Oh man, the other weapon was better.
You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out. Ordnance inbound. Get clear. Not done with a fight yet, but getting close.
Man, what's happening? Why everybody's fighting me? Who killed this guy? What's going on? Oh my god.
Only one enemy stands between you and victory.
Okay, this guy was the last guy.
It's over.
Oh,
Regroup for the next stop.
third man, come on. Oh wait. I have to get my weapon first. 1 second. I should have known there was a guy on the right side because the guy who died was in the open. Nice. This is my weapon. Customize. Can't favorite it because I have a weapon already. Favorite. Now, firing range. Let's see if it's going to work well. Then make it even more stable. Your fire accuracy. Full height inverse spotting. This is good. Slower bullets. Faster bullets. Slower bullets. This is good. Reload speed and what is this? Visual impact. This doesn't. This is nothing. And I think we have everything that we need. White turns to be single. Man, the hip fire is crazy. Hip fire is crazy accurate. Look at this. Crazy. We don't have to even aim downside. Crazy. Let me see one thing. If we don't use optic, can we buy something else instead? There's nothing here. This even makes it better. If fire. Let's see again. I think this is not bad. Yeah. Close range is crazy. Look at this. It's not too stable. I mean, even the aim downside is stable. Let me place that optic in case we want to use this one. No sé, no sé. What if we select the big scope? Controllable. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm an eagle alien. He's a good man. What if we select a shotgun as well? I think I don't have a good shotgun. Let me try something. Shotguns. Which one has more fire rate? Rate of fire. This one. But I haven't. I don't have it. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm an eagle alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Kind of penetration, shotgun ammunition. I don't know. I don't know. Fire. I'm going to play a long range SMG and a shotgun. Now we are ready. Let's go. Hay que firmar algo. So which one is good for? There is no character that uses shotgun. No shotgun. Assault rifle, SMG, LMG, sniper. We need a different character with shotgun beneficios. Es la reacción de... Hello. ¿Qué hora vas? A las 9 por la mañana. ¿Y vas ahora también? Man, espero que un día van a mejorar esta ventana donde nos hacen esperar mucho tiempo. Espero que lo mejoren. Daran, daran, dara, 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 daran, daran, dan, dan, dan. Aún falta 4 personas. Increíble. This armor is the same for every character or no sé si cambia la protección de las armaduras o es el mismo para todos los jugadores.
Drop zone's coming up. Enemy shooters closing on target area. Don't let any of them get out of there alive. I'll send
Go. We should go to the right side. All the way right.
Go for deployment. Give them hell.
Oh wait, there is something here. Jetly, are you here? Jetly, listen to me. Oh, there is someone else going before me. I'm going to show you something, okay? Watch out. You haven't been here yet before?
Missions updated. Review them when you can.
I feel like this is a... Oh. They're speaking, they're speaking.
Check your missions.
Overwatch requested on my
You have a
grid.
hostile jumping onto your position.
Let's see, where is this guy? This guy is the guy who's coming right now. They can come from everywhere. There should be someone inside the house. Ah, they are in the outside.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
And what is this place? Crazy. What is this place? Where the heck is the door? I'm lost. Oh. Good idea, huh? We gotta wait them come.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Camping is up for me.
You should have visibility on the Inferno. Adjust course and stay clear.
I just saw someone here.
Request Overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Take turn. On the way.
Goodbye.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by.
Oh my god. Oh, they're fighting.
Battlefield is still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert.
I think I saw someone. Where did he go?
Make your way to that point!
I'll get my weapon.
We've got a new mission ready.
You like that?
Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay. New mission is up. Marked on your map.
Wow. This game has no mercy, man.
Reference waypoint! Move there now!
Where's the airdrop? Gone.
Check your missions.
But we have nice weapon. This is a good sniper. To be honest, I wanna kill at the moment. I don't want to give my position.
Check your missions.
No, let's
We've
see.
got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Let's rally on that RV point! Move!
This guy has a nice sniper.
Contact! Enemy infantry!
How many distance? How much this is
There's
this?
a dangerous location!
300. Trying to aim down like this. 300.
Check your missions.
He was shooting someone here. Let's kill this guy.
resistance for you, but that doesn't mean it's safe out there. Keep your guard up.
He came, he took his stuff and ran away. What's going on there?
RV on that position!
Almost 200. Oh man, this game has no mercy. We gotta be very careful.
Let's rally on that RV point! Move!
There's someone here? Gotcha.
Make your way to that
AIA piling up. Keep taking it to them.
Oh, there's nobody here.
Make your way to that point! I got enemy in sight!
No. No, I couldn't make it. There's someone in the house.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area. Only a few left. Stay sharp.
Goodbye.
Only one enemy stands between you and victory. Take him out.
Goodbye. Easy peasy.
Hold tight.
Man, this weapon was crazy.
Not entirely by the book, but it got the job done. We're gonna get along just fine.
No worries, no worries. We got this. Yeah, 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 yeah. I swear that weapon was crazy, man. That sniper was crazy good. I want to see if I can set a sniper like that. Which weapon was that? I want to see the weapon which I used now. That sniper was crazy good, dude. I just don't know the attachments. I think it was this one. There are so many good sniper scopes, but we have to play a lot. It's so hard to unlock this. I will simply get people's snipers and play with it. Let me see. Wasn't this one either. Maybe this one? No. The other one was firing alone. You don't have to... This is not bad, but we need a better scope. Bigger scope, like something like this, you know? No worries. Let's go. We have a good SMG. Tenemos un arma buena. Let me reset my game 1 second. Un momento, un momento. Da-da-dun, dun, da-dun. Da-da-dun, da-dun. Da-da-da. GG's. Bailarín radio. I'm a masochist. I know. Está cargando mi juego. The game is loading, guys. La, 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 la. Bam, bam, ba-dum, bam. Dun, 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 dun. Engineer es buena. Smart arms. O sea, cada uno tiene mejores armaduras. Upgraded armor. Standard small arms. Issue tactical vest insert. Provides baseline ballistic protection. Aquí no dice nada. No sé si es mejor o peor. Son iguales todos. Sí, son iguales. Sí que son iguales. Pero creo que tienen diferentes iconos de armadura.
It's go time. Gather intel and stay alert as new missions come in. I'm counting on you.
A mí me gusta esa zona.
You're greenlit to jump. Let's get dirty.
Let's get dirty.
Missions updated. Review them when you can. Those classified materials could be a game changer. Nice work.
Haber gülüm? Haydi sen hangi rüzgar attı buraya?
mission incoming. Check your briefing. New mission is up. It's marked on your map. That zone's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long. Check your missions. Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Got a new mission ready. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long. This battlefield is still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert. All right, you're good to go. Sending you back in. That's it. Stay in the fight. Nothing you can't handle. That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear. All right, you're out. Better luck next time.